A reading from the Jamaican New Testament, Romans 12. So then, brother and sister, since God good and kind to uno, nuff, may I beg uno do. Give up uno life to God like one sacrifice where alive, we dead if you serve God, and where God can happy with. That are all uno fi worship God. No make the people where they inna the world tell uno how fi live. Instead of that, make God change the way how uno think so that he can change the way how uno a live. That way there, uno will know all of what God want uno fi do. Uno will know we right, uno will know what make God happy, and uno will know how he want uno fi live. Cause of the gift where God give me I tell uno. Nobody thinks say uno more than what uno really be. Instead of that, uno fi humble uno self and judge uno self based upon the faith where God give uno. Same like how one body make up enough different part, and the different part them dead fi do different sitting. As same so enough are we. But the whole of we make up one body cause we and Jesus Christ are one. The whole of we different, but we join up together and we belong to we one another. God give we different gift. He make we can do different something. If God give somebody the power to preach his message, then them fi preach based upon the faith where them have. If God give them the power to serve, then them fi serve. If he give them the power to teach, then them fi teach. If God make you can talk to people and make them feel like say, then can do what them need to do, then a that you fi do. If he give you one heart for people, will make you share all what you have, then you fi give with all of your heart. If God make you one leader, then you fi work hard. If God make you can good and kind to people, then a that you fi do, and you fi happy fi do it too. Uno must love people with all of uno heart. Uno love must real. Hate everything we wicked and hang on tight to anything we good. Love uno one another like brother and sister, and uno fi always put uno brother and sister before uno self. Uno fi work hard and no lazy. Uno must ever want to serve the Lord with all of uno heart. While uno wait for the sitting them where God promised to give uno must happy, cause uno know say uno a go get it. When trouble take uno no fi give up, but uno must go on hold strong, and uno fi pray all the time, never stop. If uno church brother and sister not have what them need, uno fi share what uno have with them, and uno must ever ready to take in people where travel and nah know where to stay. The people are causing to suffer. Uno must pray and ask God to bless them. Always ask God to bless people. Now pray and ask him to do nothing bad to them. If people happy, uno fi happy with them. If them a ball, uno fi ball with them too. Live good with one another. Not get full up on yourself and feel like say uno can't do certain thing or talk to certain and certain people. Instead of that, humble on yourself. If somebody do something wrong, nobody do them back nothing wrong. Always try to do what everybody think right. If it can happen, do everything what uno can do to make sure say uno live in a peace with everybody. Brother and sister, if somebody do no wrong, nobody take it upon uno self to go make them pay for what them do. Uno left them to God, make him judge them. I same say it right down in a God word that the law say. I feel me job to make people pay for the wrong where them do. May we punish them. But if your enemy hungry, give him something to eat. If he wants something to drink, give him something to drink. When you do that, I like you pile up hot coal upon his head. No make wickedness beat you, but beat wickedness with good. No make wickedness beat you, but beat wickedness with good. A God word this in the Jamaican language.